In today's economy, your competitive edge may be driven by what your customers never see. Consider trucks that deliver everything from fuel to gas stations, to food at the local market, to the latest electronic gadget right to your front door. What happens if that truck breaks down? No fuel, no food, no new electronic gadget, and no happy customers. What if that truck breakdown could have been prevented? Most production machines and assets, like the delivery truck, are outfitted with internet-enabled devices and sensors. These sensors feed real-time information that helps identify when a part is wearing out or needs to be replaced. However, you also need to know the GPS location data, the nearest authorized repair center, confirmation of parts availability, access to warranty information to schedule an appointment, and to alert the driver. Yet to deliver this outcome, you must create an intelligent, fully automated orchestration process that brings these disparate systems together, working as one. BMC Helix Control-M provides your IT teams with a single point of view to orchestrate complex data pipelines, automate file transfers to easily ingest and push data from any source, visualize, monitor, and manage the entire workflow end-to-end, and eliminate risks related to siloed automation. By connecting these data sources and running complex, time-sensitive business application workflows in production at scale, you'll ensure that the right people have the right information at the right time, every time. Whether it's a machine in the factory, an application in the data center, or the delivery truck, unexpected breakdowns and outages are a thing of the past. The result? Happy customers. For more information, visit bmc.com/helixcontrol-m.